Hey, Arlo?
Yeah?
Hey, the lights are doing that thing again. Would you mind checking them out for me?
I already told you, Wade. I'm not an electrician, I don't know any either.
Yeah, I know.
Did the lights come back on?
The lights came back on, but then they just immediately started doing that one thing again where
Dude,
they...
I'm sure it's just the generator. Something like that. I don't know. If you'll kindly excuse me, though.
I was wondering why I had your attention. You know, you've got all this land. I was wondering if I could possibly dig out in one of these pastures.
No, man. No digging. You don't find any dinosaurs out here that the Roughnecks wouldn't already pumped up.
Yeah, but you know, if I did, that would be a tremendous discovery for the both of us. We would...
Yeah, I mean, but you wouldn't.
All right, I got it. Sorry.
No problem. I'll take a look at the generator for you later.
All right, thanks.
Yeah. I hope you all learned something today. Even if it was small. Even if it was just something about yourself. As is customary, I'll now be reading an evening haiku. In this one, you can look at it as a lesson, or you can regard it purely as historical account. But nonetheless, it's food for thought. Christ kissed by Judas. Caesar was stabbed by Brutus. Their sins will be weighed. Now remember, your enemy's intentions are clear. It's betrayal you'll never see coming. All right. Good night. See you tomorrow.
I knew it. I'm gonna be loaded. Mom's gonna be so proud. Hey Arlo, did you get a chance to check out that generator? Can you check it out right now, you know, since you're not busy?
You don't look busy?
No, you don't look busy at all.
Are you afraid of ghosts? Specters, phantoms?
Mom told me ghosts aren't real.
But are you?
No. Why would I need to be?
There's no generator. Trailer's haunted.
So you've been messing with me, is that it?
No, I'm not messing with you. There's spirits in that trailer. They're not violent, they're just trapped.
You're fucking with me, man.
Has the TV ever turned on in the middle of the night? Is it a channel you watch when it turns on?
Like, you trying to tell me there's like a poltergeist in the TV? Like from that one movie?
You clearly don't know shit about spirits. They're not poltergeists. Look, I don't want you to move out. I'm not trying to scare you off. But I can tell you're a smart guy, and eventually you'd have figured out there's no generator around here. It's all hardwired or something or another.
You're insane.
You want a peach?
I don't want a peach.
Here, take a peach. Peaches are like ambrosia, man. Seriously. Clean up this. Sit. Very good.
Oh, hey Arlo. Listen, man, I'm sorry, but my family called and I guess some stuff's come up, so, you know, I really got to get going.
I get it, man. Family's important.
Yeah.
Is your dad okay?
Yeah, I mean, my dad's fine. At least I think so. It's just, you know.
My dad died when I was young, and no one ever told me where he was buried. It's like one day, he just disappeared. He has family around here, but I don't know if they know he's dead.
Listen, I'm really sorry about your dad, but I got a lot of shit to pack and it's a long drive, so, you know, I got to get going, okay?
Yeah. I know you've been digging, Wade. And I want to let you know that it doesn't bother me. There's one thing I've learned working with those dogs, is that if someone really wants to do something, there's no stopping it. Did you at least find anything good? Any treasure? Gold? Silver?
I found a bone.
Like from a dinosaur? Like a fossil?
I think it might be a human bone.
Yeah, it makes more sense.
You don't think I dug up your fucking dad, do you?
Shit, I hope not. Do you have the bone with you?
Yeah, the bone's right here.
Yeah.
I didn't have anything to wrap it in.
Here, show me. Ew. Where'd you find this at?
You know those woods over there, the ones you told me that I shouldn't be going into?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, I found it right in there.
You wanna take me over there real quick? Show me where you dug this up?
Yeah, I can do that. I'm betting if we were to excavate this area, there would be more, too.
I'm sure there would be.
What is that?
So the good news is, you did not dig up my father. The bad news is, you dug up my childhood best friend, Buster.
Oh my gosh, Arlo, man, I'm so sorry. I would have never, I love dogs.
It's okay. You just disturbed my first pet's final resting place.
Mind if I say a prayer?
Yeah, go ahead.
Amen. May he rest in peace.
Did you eat that peach earlier?
No, I don't really care too much for peaches. I'm more of an apple guy myself.
apples?
Yeah, they're
You
sweet.
didn't throw that peach away though, did you?
No, it's in there in the fridge.
Thank God. Those peaches are $8 a pop. Wait,
For a peach, $8.
they're imported from Colorado.
I mean, I've had Georgia peaches or Sicilian peaches. I mean, relax, man. We're not even that far from Colorado.
Don't tell me to relax, man. It's peaches. You wouldn't get it. These peaches are perfect. They're so juicy and sweet. It's the nectar of the gods.
Jeez.
Yeah, so don't tell me to fucking relax, okay?
Got it. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I got a lot of goodies from the trade with that farmer, Jordan, if you want to come check him out, though.
Yeah, I mean, what kind of goodies?
I think you'll like these goodies.
Prime rib?
No prime rib.